Question 2, Part 6. A. What is esterification? Provide a general reaction equation to illustrate the process. Esterification. Definition. Esterification is a reaction in which a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol to form an ester and water. Equation. CH3COOH plus C2H5OH produced CH3COOC2H5 plus H2O. Example. Ethanoic acid plus ethanol produced ethyl ethanoate having fruity smell. B. Why is esterification considered a condensation reaction? Because water, H2O, is eliminated, so it is a condensation reaction. Example. Ethanoic acid plus ethanol produced ethyl ethanoate plus water. How does the lattice structure of salts contribute to their physical properties? Lattice structure of salts. Salts have a strong ionic lattice. This results in high melting and boiling points, hard and brittle nature, conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state. Question 2, Part 7. Complete the following reactions. A. CH3CH3Br plus alcoholic KOH formed Y. Reaction with alcoholic KOH. Its elimination reaction, alcoholic KOH. CH3CH2Br formed CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr. Y equals ethene, C2H4, B. Y plus Br2 formed Z. Reaction with bromine. CH2 double bond CH2 plus Br2 formed CH2Br CH2Br. Z equals 1, 2-dibromoethane. Why are SO2 and CO2 classified as acidic oxides and CuO and CaO considered basic oxides? Oxides. Sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide are acidic oxides because they form acids with water. CuO and CaO are basic oxides because they react with acids to form salt plus water. Question 2, Part 8a. Why is petroleum considered a mixture? Petroleum is mixture. Petroleum is considered a mixture because it contains different hydrocarbons combined together. These components are not chemically bonded, they are physically mixed. Each component has different boiling points and can be separated by fractional distillation. B. Give 3 examples of a hydrocarbon found in petroleum. Examples of hydrocarbons: methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8. Ethene and ethane are hydrocarbons which belong to different classes. How can they be distinguished? Write at least 2 tests in each case for the support of your answer. Ethene versus ethane. Differences. Ethene are unsaturated whereas ethane are saturated. Lab tests. Bromine water test. Ethene easily decolorizes whereas ethane showing no change. KMNO4 test. Ethene form purple 10, it's colorless whereas ethane showing no reaction. Question 2, Part 9. Give reactions to illustrate how unburned hydrocarbons contribute to the formation of peroxyacetyl nitrates, PANS. PANS, peroxyacetyl nitrates, formation. Unburned hydrocarbons react with oxygen and nitrogen dioxide in the presence of sunlight to form PANS. PANS cause photochemical smog. Reactions. C2H4 plus O2 in sunlight CH3CHO. CH3CHO plus O2 produced CH3COO2 radicals. CH3COO2 radicals A plus NO2 produced CH3COO2NO2. A. What are the primary fossil fuels used for energy production? Primary fossil fuels used for energy production: coal, petroleum, natural gas. B. Identify the fossil fuel that is mainly composed of methane. Among coal, petroleum, and natural gas, which is considered the cleanest burning fuel? Fossil fuel mainly composed of methane, natural gas. Cleanest burning fossil fuel, natural gas, produces least smoke and pollutants. Question 2, Part 10. Vitamins are important for our health. Summarize their sources and importance in health. Sources of vitamins: fruits and vegetables, e.g., citrus, leafy greens, milk and dairy products. Meat, fish and eggs. Importance of vitamins: help in normal growth and development, Strengthen immunity, protect from diseases, regulate body functions and metabolism. Prevent deficiency diseases, e.g., scurvy, rickets. Explain the combustion process of alcohols and discuss why they are considered cleaner fuels compared to fossil fuels. Combustion of alcohols. Alcohols burn in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. General reaction. Alcohol plus O2 produced CO2 plus H2O plus heat. Example, ethanol, C2H5OH plus 3O2 produced 2CO2 plus 3H2O. Why alcohols are cleaner fuels. Contain oxygen, right pointing arrow, burn more completely. Produce less smoke and soot, emit less carbon monoxide, CO, release fewer harmful pollutants than fossil fuels. Alcohols undergo complete combustion producing CO2 and H2O, and are considered cleaner fuels because they cause less air pollution compared to fossil fuels. Zinc plating is carried out to prevent iron from corrosion. Describe its complete process and chemical reactions taking place at anode and cathode. Zinc plating, electroplating of iron, to prevent corrosion. Definition. Zinc plating is the process of coating iron with a thin layer of zinc using electrolysis to protect it from corrosion, rusting. Chemical reactions. Anode. Zn lose 2 electrons and form Zn plus 2 ions. Cathode. Zn plus 2 ions gain 2 electrons and form Zn metal. Why it prevents corrosion. Zinc layer blocks air and moisture from reaching iron. Zinc is more reactive, so it acts as a sacrificial metal. Zinc plating protects iron by electrochemical deposition of zinc, where zinc oxidizes at the anode and deposits on iron at the cathode, preventing rusting. How will you explain the formation of ethanol by A. Fermentation and catalytic addition of steam? Explain your answer with balanced chemical equations. A. Ethanol formation by fermentation. Ethanol is formed by the fermentation of glucose in the presence of yeast, enzyme, zymase, under anaerobic conditions. C6H12O6 produced 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Conditions. Absence of oxygen. Temperature approximately equals 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. B. Ethanol formation from ethene. Ethene reacts with steam in the presence of a catalyst to form ethanol. C2H4 plus H2O produced C2H5OH. Conditions. Catalyst. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4. High temperature and pressure.